Take a ride in the 2019 Toyota Tacoma. Toyota Tacoma boasts a roomy interior, a powerful V6 option, and excellent off-road capability, and has been named the best-selling compact pickup by MotorIntelligence.com 5 years in a row, and is priced below $40,000. This vehicle has less than 25,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: tonneau cover, towing package, traction control, daytime running lights, auto-off headlights, power driver mirrors, power passenger mirrors, power brakes, heated seats, cruise control. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.